Grandma. Let's call Leash. Good morning, Miguel. There was a... She just messaged me. What time did she message me? Let's call her. That's me, Grandma.
What are we on this favorite so?
You thought it was Leash? This is me.
Damn, Lisha.
Dang, Grandma. So you think I look like Lucifer?
Lisha, that mean you don't look like you, but I just saw me.
She just ended the call.
No.
Don't mudfish, you don't mudfish, you know. Face fat. Right, now big.
You laugh and say, no stop, no see so. Me and my great Alicia have 2 years in my Angola. Me see me say, boy, you are Angola. The Angola say, fine food. Angola say fine food, so you know if you can 3 handbag. For when you catch 3 handbag, you look like a mad woman if you can 1. Angola say man. You see a man, they went there before, you know.
She's nice though.
Angola no ID.
So they live in a house? They live together?
Then go and come. He say he mad. And when the mother go up in her head, he have to get somebody to work out the mother.
And in that, say my battery things. Yeah, say.
That's Angola.
You
say love fine. You say love in here.
5 who? It's a 9. In that little.
Aww, she's so lovely. What up, Blanca?
They say 9 dead. He said, battery me away panty and battery soon come.
Battery?
Battery thing come.
I want to see him. Oh my god. 5 foot? I hope 5 foot's not using her because she's in love. How did I taste my first red stripe, Grandma? How did I taste my first red stripe?
You ever drink it?
Yes.
I make a drink it.
Grandma, it was you. Grandma, you don't remember? We were at your house. I don't know if I came down for the summer. And at nighttime you would always drink our red stripe beer. And you would put a little bit of salt on it. You remember? And you would throw it off. And you said, oh, I said, Grandma, you're drinking? It's for my pressure. Remember? Huh?
Mama, you like cakes yesterday?
Well, Alicia want an American people business over there.
I'm going to smell it.
Okay. You want an American Jamaica people business, girl?
You buy cakes yesterday?
Yeah. Yeah.
Lisha, hold on. I'm gonna give you a bite. Hold on.
Don't give me no bite. Me a fucking sugar.
You know you're bright and tasty?
Greasy stuff.
Let me give you some, guys. Take a bite.
No, see. Let me see.
Oh, where's the camera? Take a bite, please. You see how you shame me? I'm giving you peace and you're shaming me. Yeah, so nice, my girl. What happened, Grandma? What happened? You almost went to jail?
Yeah. Me and Nana come from me and don't chop off his head.
Why? What happened?
In my yard.
What did he say to you?
Saying come to pussy.
Mama said Alicia saw me call when he come. Mama come when he call.
Grandma, whose pum pum did he come for? Yours? Grandma. So what did he say?
Take off your name.
What?
Give me a
Grandma, you brought making up for me?
They're not so nice. They're sweet, but they're
Grandma, that's why I have to love you, you know?
That's fine. I'll see the ackee, I throw out the ackee out of the bag.
Grandma brought me Guinness. Grandma, so what did you say to him?
Me?
Yes.
I'm not room for me much yet.
Uh-huh.
Let me sit on. Better move. Go from yard. Your face, your father, your grandson, you're bright. She could have raised hell. One million that son. I'm coming on. Well, instead when you grow on there, I'm going to tell him, as long as you live, no come up on his father.
Why did he feel so comfortable? To ask you for some...
Me that chop him up, you know.
You? Yes, Grandma. Yeah. Grandma, you're a hot tamale. He wanted you. Grandma, so everybody's... Huh?
Me no that's sitting there. I think that's a bright and bright. I just wish he had partner so nice.
I'm mad, mama.
Oh, I'm mad.
He's mad,
But in a mad, a ganja, then give him in a lizard tail, run at you. You know, mad.
What's
If you
lizard
mad,
tail?
you don't know if you come, cause you're not giving me the pussy.
That's what he said?
Me can't want money, you know. Me say go away with your money.
He was gonna pay you. Lot of God, Grandma.
Yes, I'm bright.
No, sir, Grandma. They were gonna pay you. So you know him?
Yes, I'm my friend.
And he was gonna pay you
He might
for
have
your
worked
pum pum.
on
What
me.
a blanca.
You're not going to give me the pussy.
Oh, God.
Grandma, how much was he gonna pay you? Let me see.
know.
I would have asked how much first, and then chopped him. I'm just joking. Oh my
Ask your
God.
mom to do the ackee.
All right, give me 1 second.
Mama,
Hello. What a weird pretty girl.
what?
Dear.
So listen to this story. Go tell her, Grandma.
One mad boy come up there something to give pussy. This man, me not chopping you know. Kirk, you don't know him. Him and when they work on a hotel, Jervis' wife. Jervis in a queue.
You say what you say if you do?
Something to give him pussy.
No.
In a Kirk.
So what you say, Mama?
I'm going out. He come up a yard. Same as me wake and they wash up my plate them. Me here.
You want to come back?
Eh?
You want to come back?
Why you come to come rape me? If you're thinking about this, put your hand on me. I chop off your neck clean. Gone down the road. I say I chop. I go in a room and take out my piece of tongue pint and when I come out, I say I chop your neck clean off, me must get beer.
Now where we are.
Mama, me alright.
Alright. I have to tell you.
Lie? Grandma? I don't know if she's gonna answer.
Are you wait so soon?
Now soon?
Oh, so?
Yeah.
It wake soon. I mean, the one that say how you wake so soon.
Yeah, put on there. Huh?
See, they put on your makeup, they must, you go on piece.
Oh, yeah.
A hot girl. Make your
Last time I dream say, Durham on the phone, war dancing. And Whitney said to me, say, you done a good job. You know what? That's a feeling then see.
I must say so.
War dancing Durham on the phone in a Lucy, all power and table in front of the dance. Yeah.
That's something I didn't see. I will do a palm piece.
What are we find a reach out there soon?
Let him tell her what happened to him.
Lot of gun.
Well, Mama.
I want my boy come up on me yard, this man want pussy. When we go in a house, me go in a house, when he tell me so, me go in a house, and me take out my machete and say, move your blood clot out of me yard, move your pussy clot out of me yard. You want me chop off your blood clot foot.
Why? Are you in trouble with you?
I'll Merle up there, so when me go up there, Merle say he no here, find me and go back, go drop back and sleep. Give me a...
You have to watch him.
I see him say Seco say in the ground they know that I want a milli that I'm in the drive with. Son, he say in the ground they know when he come out of there in the ground they go tell him say, as long as he live no put him foot up there. He say, me don't give you one money and me don't give you one money. Me say, me don't want no money. Yes.
You go country, mama?
Yes, me dey go.
Huh?
Ask your mama's in the day.
What if mom doesn't want you to know who's this for?
I told her, you want to keep your mother, your mother ain't nothing for me. If I lick you today, you say pick me. Your daughter saying they go away, go to beach.
You go see? Sophina.
I'm invited there.
I'm going with your daughter.
Yes, but you no going at the sea.
No, Grandma.
The wave.
Right, Grandma.
The wave. The one where you see the back so. Anytime you hear it back and take you, you're gone.
Yeah, but I'm...
Invited there, you're thinking, yeah.
Grandma, I'm not going to go far.
No, not going at the sea. By one boy went out of Johnsontown and from the wave take him, we not see him again.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Sophina,
Yes?
they put in the guarantee?
No. Yes. Yes. I can't leave Hanover for until August 18th.
Okay.
That's it, but I can go out.
You're going to walk to spend time with our grandparents then, when have time.
Yeah. You want me to come down more, Grandma?
Are you natural here?
No, Grandma. This
In
is
naturally long too, no, mama. In naturally long, if me got the lady I don't
Let me
want.
drop off clean.
See, Sophia?
Grandma, let me see your hair. I've never seen your hair before. Grandma, it's white. Where's my brush? I'm gonna brush your hair. Grandma, it's white, and it's curly. Oh, it's soft. Feel it. Soft.
Plait this up in here, can't plait.
I can braid it.
Ready.
Grandma, this is why he wanted your pum pum. Look at your pretty hair.
Fast asleep. By roadside.
5 foot off the runner and then I come back here.
Good. If you
Come
want,
here, admin of your picnic.
It looks okay, Grandma?
good man.
Grandma. Lot of good. Yes, Grandma. Let me show you yourself.
Here.
I know. You like it? Yes, Grandma.
I'm not right now with the Thailand's about it. They pick up.
Yeah, Russia. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You
You can open it?
No man, up on top. Up on my girlfriend yard.
Oh,
They have people land.
What me not put it? You, the one me when give me.
We're matching.
What me have to take coffee?
Why?
Me not keep it on.
Why?
When me like me to go, me put it on. And I say me a bush woman, you know.
You're a bush
Me a
woman?
bush. Me a bush.
Son's gonna say, why do you have so much glitter on? Ooh la la, grandma.
Nice.
Hmm?
Nice.
Nice, right? Look at this. I have this too, this big spoon.
I will buy it.
Ooh la la, grandma. Guys, guess who came to see me?
Sweetheart, Safina.
5 foot. What's going on?
5 foot are you?
5 foot, you look nice. What's your girlfriend's name?
What have you look good?
Mom wants to talk to you. Hold on, let me get my phone.
So what will they do?
5 foot, you don't miss me?
Mr. Man, I'll look at me now.
Something. Lot of God, you can't ask me if I'm okay before you ask me what I brought for you? Hold the phone and talk to Mom.
Where is it?
Right here.
Name of it.
You're making young,
There's
Guys.
some kind of override.
5 foot just left.
Give me the talk.
And we're gonna go to country in a little bit. But pretty much it's just been a little hectic. But my grandma's here, my great grandma's here, 5 foot came. Pretty much my grandma's moving, so like there's a lot of stuff going on. And my great grandma brought me gifts. They're sweet.
Yes, you know.
Where'd you get them? Where'd you get them?
Right side top of me. Dave, my friend. I whole leave. But then nobody know there to pick it.
Oh really?
I want stick me take pick it. Not sweet. I mean,
You picked them? A tree.
big.
Grandma, I'm gonna come to your house. Your house. Come to your house? Me? Come to your house?
When?
Before I leave. You don't want me to come?
I'm on feature because.
Why don't you want me to come to your house? What are you hiding? You don't want me to come to your house?
You can walk come today.
Why?
Up the hill.
Not today. You don't want me to come? You don't want me to come? Some of the baskets what? Guys, so we are going to country. I think I told you that my grandma's moving. Well, my grandma's moving, so we're gonna go to country, go look at the house and stuff. So we're on our way there, and then I'm gonna go see my uncle, and then that's some sky juice, so good. And that's just happening. We're not really doing anything today. Like, I'm gonna just try and see everyone before I leave. And then yeah, that's what's happening. So I'll see you guys like when we get to country.
Okay, now show. Let me see one of the human one day. Much for them? $10?
$100 shoe? You're buying one? So grandma, why are you asking the man for his shoe if you don't want it?
good shoes them.
When you buy
For $100, you want one?
$100.
Where's great grandma?
I don't want.
I don't want no shoe. Lot of God, I'm trying to get rid of some. That's not bad though. $100 for a shoe?
Bye.
Come on, but you should wear the Clarks that mom gave you. They're probably comfortable. The Clarks that yeah, that's probably gonna be comfortable on your foot.
The one I borrowed?
No, the one that I gave you. Lot of God, grandma. Anything I say, the barrel.
Claps.
The clock slippers where mom was like, wash your foot before you put your. Grandma, are you feisty? Grandma, you're not feisty? We're all feisty in the family. Lot of God. Only when somebody troubles you, you're feisty? Well, that's us. We don't trouble people. Yeah, we're not troublesome. We're not troublesome people. Bye, son. Grandma, look at your bull. What do you call him? Your pooksy? What a good grandma. Yes. What did she say? What did she say? 5 foot booby, guys. That's 5 foot booby. We just got to One Piece. Yeah. Yes, Miguel. Oh yeah, we left. We had to leave. Oh, grandma, your rag. All right, bye. Love you. Bye. Is the church you're gonna go to?
No.
Oh, so my grandma's is moving. Where's great grandma? Okay. Is moving, and we're gonna go look at the house because she's moving soon. And yeah, we just got here. I want to see it. I'm excited. Mom said to take pictures as well. Grandma, you're excited to move? Grandma's ready to move. Grandma, you alright? Look at Grandma in her mask. She's not playing no games with Corona. Not today. Yo, this reminds me of your house in country. Right here. Hard working. Hard working.
No, man, we not put him on the house this way. Right place in the house. There you go.
Yes, grandmother.
I don't necessarily dig it.
Oh, okay.
Stand by the end.
So the house is right here. So this is part of the house?
Yes, another house. What up, Tanya? So big man.
The house will come and look
At the house.
Oh, it's gonna come all the way out here.
Yes.
Alright.
What is it?
Guys, so we're in the house. It's not done yet. It's like under construction. But this is my grandma's room when it's done.
to go far. I'm going to picture go far. I'm not go there.
Vlogger.
Yeah. Watch out, that's waterfall.
Who did? Guys, this is a pit.
Can't walk around so far and look.
Yeah, but why is this? Why is there water in there?
That's water supposed to soak out. They may not see like it. It really depends on where the water was.
Yes?
The car, you know, going over just some blood pack solid, man. Soapy pack solid.
Okay.
It's soak, but it's soak slow. But I walk.
How deep is it?
This far where you walk.
No, but I'm here,
If you look, you can see water in the front of the
But it can't hold in the man. For me, can't hold in there.
Guys, this is a pit.
My black one, me think of saying, me. Yeah. You're going to murder up a coconut tree.
Yo, Junior, what you call soy jelly over here? Can come, man. Still I want to really cheap.
It's no good.
Yo, what
you call?
I have a problem with it.
Yeah, I'm like a
It
herb.
can't work, so you can't eat.
You say it have 2 breadfruit.
2 before me this man.
And sake and saltfish.
2?
Have
Were they big or were they small?
I'm looking belly too. A gravy. You know gravy?
I don't mean if me know what means by we have what yeah, right.
Hey, take a ball to the front.
Yo, me say, me tell me this is like I make it feel like remember me tell you you have to go back.
No, it's like everything I remember that time.
You have to
What's
go
that
back.
for bird? What's for bird?
Over there, what?
Hey, yo.
Me no busy with them, me not trouble them. For me not trouble them, no busy with them.
They ever bite a John John?
Me not trouble them at all.
You have a trouble them.
Yo, get
Yo, no trouble one, no trouble here, yeah?
Guys, so we just left my uncle. I hope I got some footage. It's market day because tomorrow is Independence Day. So we're gonna go get some pumpkin and stuff, but it started raining.
I can't take your argument.
So we're gonna go back down right now. But yeah, that's what's going on here.
Just get like
Really? Mine's not like that. Mine must be made of steel.
Oh, your one just start.
How are that kid? I'm a family.
Oh, then can I go? Where are they? 5 bills for that. 5 bills.
How much for one?
We can't buy that for 5. I take that $200 you give me all them cane and cane top. Up a
Give him
country.
side kid, give him side kid. Now you have family.
This is why I think along with them.
Then I'm ready to go. When we go,
Me a idiot.
I mean, I get to find out.
Me a idiot.
You know,
You don't vote for no man.
Yeah? You're dating Finefoot?
Yes.
Okay. He treats you good?
Yes.
He treats you really good?
I did that.
You treat him good? What do you do? You wash his clothes? Mm-mm.
Do you have anything can give you?
Do I have anything?
I like it.
I love
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Love you too.
I pray for you and your family.
Thank you.
I'll continue.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
If Finefoot gives you any trouble, you tell me.
Yeah, she's not giving it a nice ride. She's doing me nothing. My number is,
I'm your granny.
my number is 37. I'm a man of this channel.
Yes?
She take care of me and tell me did have my son.
Oh.
And to the before I never want the child, and me brain stagger and get me to my brain stagger after the baby born.
Mm-hmm.
So he called me to get sick and we run away.
Mm-hmm.
So I almost killed myself. And he take that care of me. Their grandmother.
Wow.
I like my girls.
Now you're in love with Finefoot. All right. Love you too.
Can shoes can't give me? 2.
No, I don't have any shoes. What size do you wear?
9 and 9.5.
All right.
I got you though. I'm gonna give it to her.
Yes, all right.
All right. Bye. I love you.
This stuff, yeah, the whole story. All the story, promise.
Who?
5 foot.
Yeah, she's a nice lady. Maybe 5 foot doesn't want everybody to know his business.
My number is 4599999.
What was it? 3734? Yeah, 373.
Yeah, I know.
45 something.
Yeah, make sure she left our contact.
Aww. I wish I had like a slippers to give her. She seems nice.
Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with them people. They don't give us in their own way. So,
Yeah.
they are just in their own way.
Aw, nice lady.
Big head boy. Big head boy.
5 foot.
Grandma, she loves you though, because you saved her life.
I should not forget.
She never forget. No. You know, so one time Mama come a funeral. You see? And Mama, in brother minister, in brother Adventist minister, live a Montego Bay. And in brother drive. So when funeral over now, the brother they come down. So him, she went at the vehicle and come out and tell him brother say if he can carry Mama. And the brother say he full up. Lally say if you're full up, make me walk for me live right so and carry Miss Vida.
Really?
The man say full up and I no full up. And I when Lally tell him say, make me walk and give Miss Vida for me seat.
Wow.
He say Mama we come. Lally say me prefer walk and make Miss Vida go.
Yeah, that means save my life, man. If I went walk, me the walk if it's even 100. Anytime I see me not being even 100.
Really?
So the kind of person she is.
Aww.
Give me $100, so take it go in that buy one drink or pay you.
People remember.
So what me all see again?
Before I leave, I'm gonna give you something for her.
Can't manage this holiday business, you know.
Alright, you take care.
Bye, Grandma.
Good. I'll see me if you're here.
Bye, Grandma. Love you. It looks nice. It looks nice.
What should I do? You want it to order? No, I don't want it. No, kill me enough. How much is
Huh?
New York.
Who is it?
No, man. Look at man.
Oh, say hi.
What is wrong with you, sir?
Hi.
What's going on?
You must soon come, don't scare.
Don't
Who are
scare.
you?
Me?
Yeah.
Black, dopey.
Easy there. Easy. Back off and move.
I'm Jamaican.
Yeah,
Move.
wait.
Sir,
Natake Gandata.
leave her alone.
She good, she nice.
This won't play.
I'm nice? Thanks.
Yeah, beautiful.
Thanks.
You're an angel.
Thanks.
No, I think I don't want her to yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, America.
Huh? You gonna come visit me?
Answer me now. America.
What accent do I have?
You say New York or New York or Canada. We say New York or Bronx. Joma!
Any line?
No, thank you.
Joma! Joma! Chicago!
Stop calling me.
What do you make a little picnic and move on?
What's up?
How are you?
Nice to see you.
so good, yeah.
I wanted to ask you something. Okay, in a little bit. Are you going somewhere?
No, I'm not going up.
Who is this?
Yo, mother, relax yourself now. She don't know you're my youth. I don't this.
She asked that question, who is this?
Come.
You don't know yet. She want to know. Ask her.
Yo, she don't know that.
She asked who is this? Answer.
Our man France have near Molo.
Oh, okay, that's it?
Yes. No use is selfish in the market, but
That's it. But what?
junkie, junkie.
No. Yes, they want.
No. Of course.
Yo, I got you from my
$700 I had $1
You have the money? I'll give it back to you.
So, how is everything?
Good. Lee said to send her love.
Sure.
Yes.
You're gonna do that for me.
Yes.
Straight from my heart.
I got you.
Take care of family.
That one is like seaside, they like this.
Look at it, Miss Moon, please. Everybody ladies, I want to do wrong to you.
How much is your phone?
150.
How much you want, sir?
Yes.
I want to look wrong. This is 2 1/4. 2 cups.
How much, sorry?
You want the peel?
You want the pizza?
Huh?
Everybody, put me one back here.
Yeah, just want a bag, right?
Peel it and put it on back.
Let him peel it?
Yeah.
Oh, can you peel it for me? I'm sorry.
Yes, we go.
So guys, we just came home. It was like a really hectic day, plus it started raining, so we had to get out of the town. So let me summarize everything that happened today, because it was a lot. So basically this morning my great grandma came, and then my grandma and my great grandma and I went up to where my grandma's gonna move now. She's moving from where she is, and she's moving like closer to family and everything. It's time she wants to move, so that's happening. Finefoot came to visit, so the talk of the town is that the lady that you saw, Lolly is her name, she her and Finefoot are together. That's her boo, that's her boopsie. So there's probably mad pine in my teeth, but yeah, so she was like saying whatever, but Finefoot was denying it, which we all know they're together. And then we just came down, we went in the market, and that's about it right now. It's just me chilling at home, and my cousin Clover is supposed to come see me today. I don't know if she's gonna come see me because the rain is like stop and starting. Tomorrow is Independence Day, so we're gonna go to the beach. Hold on, my phone's ringing. So sorry, my mom was calling me. Wait, where is I talking? Oh, I don't know if Clover's gonna come see me, but right now I'm just home. Grandma's cooking some pumpkin and yellow yam, and I'm gonna eat it with fish that my cousin Triv made, which you guys saw Triv in the first vlog. And tomorrow is Independence Day.
You seen Patty coconut tree too?
And no, that was on my camera. I'll show mom the vlog.
Oh.
And what's grandma saying? I mean, what's mom saying? And
That's why phone hot.
mom wants to talk to me. Hello? What, Pitney? Bye, love you, bye. Where was I? Oh, it's Independence Day tomorrow, so we're gonna go to the beach. I'm so excited. I just want to put my feet in the sand and do a little swimming, just a little bit. Do a little swimming and yeah, chillax. And then On Sunday, like you guys saw, is going to be my cousin's surprise birthday party. Triv came in and was saying like she got like a band and it's gonna be so nice and we're gonna dance, and yeah, so it should be good. And that's that on that, baby. And yeah, so that's what's going on. And oh, and also if you guys have not seen my previous vlogs to this, I announced that I launched my new website, jamrockroots.com. So go check it out. Check it out, Jamrock Roots, for all your sea moss, well crafted from Jamaica. Go check it out. I'm really happy and I feel like super blessed to spend this time with my grandparents, and hopefully this is gonna be like regular. What is that?
Cranberry.
No thank you.
You want them?
No thank you. Drink it for you, it's good. Oh, it's cranberry and grape, I smell it. Uh-huh. You're hungry, Grandma?
What?
A little bit.
Yeah, cool.
What, just the pumpkin and yam? You're cooking banana too?
No.
Oh, okay. Guys, we're getting ice cream. How are you? You remember me?
Remember you?
Yeah.
My God, I'm a wife to me. My God, man.
You have cup?
Only one.
All right. You want me to get cup? Let me get cup.
Yeah, you look all younger.
I look younger? We're getting ice cream. Yeah, I bought 3. I don't know how you want yours. If you get the cone, you can just put it in there. Because we're not going to eat it now.
So what, my queen?
Nothing.
God, man, me long to see you till me can't sleep.
Really? Lord of God.
I just drop me there, man. So how long is that time with me, sir?
Not that long.
You soon gone again?
Yeah, are you going to get orange and pineapple?
Well, you know, sir, hit me and got any finish.
Are you going to come and check to see if I'm here?
Yes, man. My God, man. Boy, I'm glad to see you till me glad back bus around. Much in each one.
Much in yourself?
Much in each one, yeah.
Don't you always do 100 for us?
Okay, no problem. So when you come in?
Yesterday.
God, man, I'm my wife, mama. And she not get married to me, married to her.
Are true?
No, man, she not married to nobody, I'm me.
Hold one, so.
I don't make 2 wonderful kids.
Lord of God.
Yes, I'm boy and one girl.
I've never had eggnog ice cream before.
Really?
Yeah. I hope it's good.
This one is wonderful.
Really?
Yeah, man. So, what I make a package just saying you can for me? You can see?
What package?
Phone finish.
You're selling out like hotcakes.
Not true. God, man.
Come back when you get the orange and pineapple.
My wife, don't touch me, man. If you don't touch me, man. You can't just go and left him so far. Jesus, please. Eh?
I look the same?
Jesus, please. My wife.
Yes?
When you come with your brother?
Huh?
You come with your brother?
Yes.
When?
Pack your bags. You have your passport?
No.
You need a passport.
Get one for me.
I don't work at the embassy.
You want to start out the family?
All right.
God, man. Take a picture and go on, man. Look for me good and say, give me the one.
Say what?
Yeah, take a picture.
All right, let me take your picture. Ready? I'm going to send it back for you.
Really?
Yeah.
God, man. You put the right density and you put yourself on it.
Put myself on it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, ready?
Steady.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
All right. I got it.
You got it?
I'm going to send it to you.
Okay, my lovely queen. So, tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, you're going to come back tomorrow.
Yeah,
Check
man,
for me.
Tomorrow, I'm back in the place.
Oh, you come every day?
Every day, steady.
How come I didn't see you yesterday?
I know you look just younger. You look younger, man. How you put on?
I look younger?
Younger.
Oh.
Prettier.
Yeah?
Better.
Mm-mm. Bye. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your kind words. Like, oh, it's hot. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I hope you guys enjoy my family. I hope you enjoy the antics, because I really do enjoy just everything. Like, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. Definitely like, share, and subscribe, so I know you guys are enjoying these vlogs, because I definitely want it to be like a regular thing, because I want to spend more time with my grandparents. I feel like I missed out on a lot just because of like work. And I'm just kind of shifting my focus and just getting back to like what matters, and just trying to just center myself with everything. But I love you guys, and thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Thank you for your comments. I really love and appreciate each and every one of you, so thank
Make
you.
you do me so, Nico. You mash up me life, Nico.